Hello my lovely people, welcome to my channel and let's learn about fluffy twist. Look at my hair. First of all, you hold your hair extension like this. Split your hair into two like this. Place your hair extension. Do the box braid, let's say 3 to 4 steps. After you've done doing your box braid, you go ahead and split one part of the hair and make it two. Like this. Then you remain with those strands, then you twist them, you twist and cross over, twist and cross over till the end. You now take a scissor, then cut the end of the braid to make it fine looking, like that. This is the end. This is the final look. Oil your scalp to make it soft. I'm using a mixture of carrier oil. That is what I use to put in my skin, in my scalp I mean, because it makes your scalp soft and relaxed. I will finish by applying my hair with mousse to make them nice looking and shiny. Thank you my lovely people for watching the video, and if you are new here, kindly do subscribe. Support me by subscribing, sharing, commenting and liking.